Join us as we dive into WebinarGeek, a browser-based webinar platform that lets you revolutionize and maximize the impact of webinars.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. WebinarGeek offers a surprising amount of flexibility and control. Whether you're running live events, training sessions, or automated marketing webinars, it's built to give you options and a lot of them. In this video, we'll walk through how WebinarGeek works, what stood out to us when we tested it, and how pricing and support compare to its competitors. If you're curious whether it's a good fit for your team or solo projects, stick around. And don't forget to check out our full written review for all the latest details. Before you start hosting webinars, you need to set up your organization's WebinarGeek account. That includes adding your team, setting up branding, choosing payment and security preferences, and connecting integrations or using its API. The webinar creation process includes 4 options, each with a specific use case. You can run traditional live broadcasts, open interactive live sessions for real-time collaboration, deploy automated webinars, or publish on-demand webinars for content that's always available. With just 3 clicks, you can easily repurpose your live recording into an automated or on-demand webinar. We appreciated how there are 3 access settings. You can make webinars public, unlisted, or private. If you want, you can always change these settings later on. Each webinar requires you to fill in basic info like title, description, and language, with support for up to 10 languages, which is a nice touch. Scheduling is flexible too. You can set recurring events or create custom time slots. And for automated webinars, there's a clever just-in-time feature that lets users join within minutes, which can be a real engagement booster. Whether you're running webinars solo or with a team, WebinarGeek lets you add up to 50 team members and even copy content from past events, which saves a ton of time when you're running similar sessions. What makes WebinarGeek stand out is the depth of its customization. It's not just about hosting a video stream. You can customize everything from the registration forms to the follow-up emails. We found the registration page settings to be especially detailed. You can choose to require first names, add redirect URLs, insert privacy consent fields, embed the form on your site, and even set up payments if you're charging for your webinars. After setting up registration, you can tailor the remaining webinar experience. You can customize webinar placeholders, allow streaming via RTMP, which is exclusive for premium users or available as an add-on, upload presentations ahead of time, inject videos from platforms like YouTube, or upload your own files and configure how the chat works. In addition, if you have multiple moderators, you can assign chats using automation rules. WebinarGeek also lets you customize Q&A availability, and at the end of your webinars, you can redirect users to a sales page or send them an evaluation form. There are even advanced attendee access settings, like letting users raise a hand to request stage access or enabling AI captions. It's a platform built for control. Interactivity is another strength. You can use polls, quizzes, CTAs, and assessments, all customized to match your branding. Emails from confirmations and reminders to personalized follow-ups can also be fully tailored. Another feature that's worth highlighting is the dedicated webinar channel. It essentially lets you create and design a unique web page where you list all your webinars, providing another way to generate leads. And while there's a learning curve if you're new to webinars, especially with all the settings available, WebinarGeek does a great job of walking you through it with clear options and labels. Plus, the AI performance tracking provides great insight into how your webinars are performing and where you might want to adjust. WebinarGeek offers monthly and annual billing, with the latter being the best value. There's also a 14-day free trial, which we recommend using to test out the setup and run a few webinars without making a commitment. The basic plan is fine for smaller webinars, but if you're serious about automation, branding, and scalability, the premium plan is where the value really kicks in. There's also an enterprise plan, which includes extended session limits, SLA support, onboarding, custom domain, a dedicated account manager, and 2 extra users. Some features like integrations or RTMP streaming are only available on higher tiers or as paid add-ons, so your final cost might vary. Still, the value is impressive compared to other platforms, especially for users who run webinars regularly. Discounts are available and vary depending on what subscription you choose. You get a 25% discount on a basic subscription and up to 50% on premium, depending on the number of attendees you need. We were genuinely impressed with WebinarGeek's support. Their live chat team was responsive, helpful, and friendly every time we reached out. And based on user reviews, that's the norm. The company also offers phone support in multiple regions, and their learning centre is packed with step-by-step guides, video tutorials, and even live training webinars. Whether you're just getting started or troubleshooting something advanced, it feels like WebinarGeek has built a support system to actually help people, which isn't always the case with other webinar platforms. If you're looking for a webinar platform that lets you customize almost every part of the experience, WebinarGeek is seriously worth looking into. From multilingual support and in-depth customization to flexible scheduling, many integrations, and a modern interface, it's a well-rounded tool. There are a few things to keep in mind, like some features being locked behind premium tiers or add-ons. But if you're okay with that, the platform delivers on its promises. We think WebinarGeek is especially strong for individuals or teams looking for a flexible and scalable webinar solution. If you're just looking for something simple and plug and play, this software may present too much of a learning curve. But for the features you get, it's worth it. Try the free trial first, and if you're happy, go with the annual premium plan for the biggest savings. You can find our full review, pricing breakdowns, and latest deals at bestreviews.net. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!